Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert MP4 to MP3 on VLC Media Player. Friends, if you want to convert video of any file format like MP4 or AVI etc. to audio file MP3 format by using a free software VLC Media Player. So to do so, you simply need to open VLC Media Player. Now after opening VLC Media Player, click on Media and here click on Convert/Save. Now you need to add your video file. My video file is on desktop, so click on Add. Now in desktop I will select my video file. After selecting your video file, click on Open. Now my file is added. Now click on Convert/Save. Here you need to select the profile. Select Audio MP3. Now give a name to your converted file. So click on Browse. Now give a name. After giving name, click on Save. Now we have given all the required informations. Now click on Start. Now it is converting our file and our audio file is saved on desktop. Now here you can see this is my video file. And it has converted into audio file MP3 format. So friends, as you can see, we have converted our video file MP4 format to a audio file MP3 format by using VLC Media Player. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.